Types of stars. The universe's stars range in brightness, size, color, and behavior. Some types change into others very quickly, while others stay relatively unchanged over trillions of years. Red giants. When a main sequence star less than 8 times the Sun's mass runs out of hydrogen in its core, it starts to collapse because the energy produced by fusion is the only force fighting gravity's tendency to pull matter together. For stargazers. Arcturus in the northern constellation Boötes and Gamma Crucis in the southern constellation Crux, the Southern Cross, are red giants visible to the unaided eye. White dwarfs. A white dwarf is usually Earth-sized but hundreds of thousands of times more massive. A teaspoon of its material would weigh more than a pickup truck. A white dwarf produces no new heat of its own, so it gradually cools over billions of years. For stargazers. White dwarfs are too dim to see with the unaided eye, although some can be found in binary systems with an easily seen main sequence star. Neutron stars. A neutron star forms when a main sequence star with between about 8 and 20 times the Sun's mass runs out of hydrogen in its core. Heavier stars produce stellar mass black holes. The star starts fusing helium to carbon, like lower mass stars. For stargazers. Neutron stars are too faint to see with the unaided eye or backyard telescopes, although the Hubble Space Telescope has been able to capture a few invisible light. Astronomers usually observe them via X-rays and radio emission. Red dwarfs. Red dwarfs are the smallest main sequence stars, just a fraction of the Sun's size and mass. They're also the coolest, and appear more orange in color than red. When a red dwarf produces helium via fusion in its core, the released energy brings material to the star's surface, where it cools and sinks back down, taking along a fresh supply of hydrogen to the core. For stargazers. Red dwarfs are too faint to see with the unaided eye, but with a backyard telescope, you may be able to see Lacaille 8760 in the southern constellation Microscopium or Lalande 21185 in the northern constellation Ursa Major. Brown dwarfs. Brown dwarfs aren't technically stars. They're more massive than planets but not quite as massive as stars. Generally, they have between 13 and 80 times the mass of Jupiter. They emit almost no visible light, but scientists have seen a few in infrared light. For stargazers. Brown dwarfs are invisible to both the unaided eye and backyard telescopes.
For more such videos, please do subscribe to us.